Hello everyone. Today we are going to know how to give online test very easily and without any hassle. But before going for the test, we need to know a few things. We all know this, but most of the time we don't focus on them. So first, take a look on those things what we need. Let's see first. Well, we need one device which can access internet smartly. That may be a smartphone, maybe a computer or laptop. Then we need live internet connection, one updated web browser, maybe a Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox. Then we need one valid mail ID. And the most vital, our device should be fully charged if it is working on some battery. And few more at the next that we have to remember. Before starting the exam, we need to check if there is any background software update running on the device or not. If running, then stop it first. Then turn on your web browser and clear the cookies from the browser. Now let's start the session. Well, now I am going to show you all the process step by step through smartphone. So what we have to check first, we have to check the data connection. Here we can see the data connection is on. So our next step, we have to check our browser is up to date or not. How can you check this? We have to open our Play Store first. Open the Play Store. On the top we can see a search box. Here we just need to type the browser name what we are going to use. As we can see, for most of the smartphone, Google Chrome is pre-installed. So I'm going to use this Google Chrome as it is most common. We just need to type Chrome on the search box and we can see our browser will come on our screen. And here we can see within this green box, open. We can see this as my browser is up to date. Otherwise, we can see here update option. So as it is up to date, let's go for the next step where we are going to open the browser. This will be your overview. Here one more step left. As we discussed, we have to clear our browser cookies. How can you do this? We can see at the top right corner 3 dot. This is called 3 dot menu. We just need to click on it. Now we can see a drop down list. Here from the last, the second option is settings. We just need to click on it. We just move to advanced settings. Within advanced settings, the first option is privacy. We just need to click on it. Now here at last we can see clear browsing data. Just need to click on this option. Here we can see browsing history, cookies, cached image and files. We should clear these all, but if you don't want to clear all of these, we must clear the cookies from this. But I want to clear all of these, my browsing history along with cookies and site data. And the last option, cached image and files. At the below of it, you can see clear data. Click on this option. Here we have to press the clear. Then move back to the browser home screen. This is our browser home screen, and now the process is most common. We just need to type the URL. We all know student.vsn.ac.in, and the login window will open. Enter all of your information, then press on login. We'll get this window. Here, move to online test. Click on this option. As soon as we will click on the online test, we can see few guidelines here. We have to read carefully first, then move for the test. And one thing that we have to keep in our mind, look, we enter into this room before the scheduled time. So if we want to search our question paper here, we cannot see this. Question paper will not appear before the scheduled time. So you have to wait for the scheduled time. Well, now look at here. Still question paper is not here. So don't be panic. As we enter into this room before the scheduled time, then this page is not refreshed. So we have to refresh this page. How we can do this? We can see here one reload page option. We just need to click on it once. And you can see here the question paper link is live right now. As per the scheduled time, and I cannot show you all the steps on the real question paper, so I'm going to show you step-by-step process on a demo question paper. So let's start it. As soon as we will enter on some exam link, we can see the form will appear, but if you are not signed in on some Google account, then one pop-up window will open like this, that sign in to continue. We have to sign in here first. Only then we can access the question paper. So let's click on sign in. Well, I enter all the details of my Google account here, mail ID and password. Then we have to click on next. Maybe some verification window will come on your screen just like this, as I have secured my mail ID. We have to enter the verification code or the OTP, then click on next. Now we can access that question paper. Again you can see few instructions. Here also we have to read all the guidelines first, then go for the exam. Well, now we are ready to give exam. Before it, we can see the first page, email address. I told you it's a demo question set, so I'm So I am giving here one demo mail ID. Next, name, then the ID, now click on next. Now we can see the question paper, all the questions we can see here. Again, before starting the question, read the headline, read the instruction for that question first. Then do one by one. First question, read it, choose it answer. Then go to the second question, choose it answer. Like this way we have to finish it. And another thing to keep in mind while filling out the form is that we have to submit the form in time. And not only this, if we want to take a screenshot of it, we have to take it while we have time. Otherwise, once it will expire, we cannot do this. So click on submit. You can see the message, your submission is successful. If you have got this message, that's mean your paper submitted successfully. There is no doubt. So that's all about this exam. Now comes to another point. So if there is any problem while submitting the form, take a screenshot and keep it with you. The screenshot should be taken in such a way that the submit button is well understood. And soon a digital Dropbox will open here and you can share the screenshot here. And if you face any other technical problem, even then you will take a screenshot and keep it with you. Within this image you can see how you can take a screenshot. So do this if you are facing any problem. That's all. Thank you.